At the beginning, unclip the electrical connectors from the bracket. Then disconnect all other connectors. Their number varies depending on the equipment. Once done, press the grommet into the door. Remove these two adhesive strips. Don't forget to renew them upon installation. Now you come to the 3 mounting screws. When undoing the screws, ensure that they do not fall into the door. Also, when undoing the last screw, be sure to hold the mirror with one hand. Remove the mirror from the door and thread the connector with the cable out through the opening. Be careful not to damage any of the plugs. With that, the removal is complete. Remember to calibrate the optional 360-degree camera. Installation is in the reverse order.